Imagine a car that turns heads without even trying. The 2026 Buick Grand National GNX does exactly that. But before we dive into this beast, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more powerful car reviews like this one: EVs, SUVs, and now modern muscle. Now, let's talk about the GNX. Buick has brought back a legend, and it's not just for show. The 2026 Grand National GNX comes back in full blacked-out glory with sharp lines, an aggressive stance, and a presence that feels like pure attitude on four wheels. From the front, the bold grille, menacing LED DRLs, and wide lower air intakes scream performance. The GNX badge alone is enough to make enthusiasts nostalgic and excited. Under the hood, we're looking at serious power. While Buick hasn't officially released all the specs yet, industry buzz suggests a twin-turbo V6 pushing close to 500 horsepower. That's paired with rear-wheel drive and a finely tuned suspension setup that promises both drag strip thrills and cornering confidence. It's not just fast, it's smartly engineered. Step inside, and the interior blends retro muscle with modern tech. Bucket seats with GNX embroidery, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a fully digital instrument cluster welcome the driver. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay, a premium sound system, and a layout that feels focused, nothing unnecessary, everything driver first. What really makes the 2026 GNX special is its balance. It's not just a revival for nostalgia's sake, it's a modern interpretation of muscle, reimagined for today's roads. From its low-slung body to its brutal exhaust note, the GNX feels alive. So is it worth the hype? If you crave bold styling, raw performance, and a car that makes no apologies, the answer is absolutely yes. The 2026 Buick Grand National GNX is a rebel with a roaring cause, and it's ready to dominate streets once again. Make sure to drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more raw, real, and thrilling reviews.